Hi, it's Belinda. My Cocoa Daisy box arrived today, so I thought I would do a quick unboxing. Inside. Okay, so this month, this is for April, and it's called Cherish Blossom. Cherish Blossoms. It's really pretty. So it's all cherry blossoms and origami like paper cranes, and just really beautiful. And a little message from Christine telling you about the kit. Okay. So I've been changing things around a little bit. I went from the mini dory to the A5 pages, which I haven't been 100% happy with. So this month is my last one with those, and then I'll be going back to the mini dory. And I got the dashboards this month. So, but again, I won't be getting these next month because I'll be having the mini dory, but I have picked up instead the memory keeping sticker kit. So I was having a look at that and I really like the look of it, so I thought that would be a really good companion to my mini dory, because I do use a lot of stickers and I sometimes find I run out, so I thought that would be a really good one to have. So, but this month I've got the dashboards, I've got the main kit with the pages, I've got the add-on kit, gorgeous pouch, and I've got the planning classified kit. So we'll move the box out of the way and we'll crack straight into them. So I'll do the classified last, so in case you don't want to see what's inside, you can stop it. I will give a little warning before I open it up. And I don't even know what's in here. I try not to peek because I really love the surprise. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's have a look at the pouch first. It's very pretty. So we had one similar to this a few months ago with the large bow on the front. It's very pretty. It's actually, it is sewn on. But it's very nice with the kind of the teal turquoise and the pink. It's got a nice gold tassel fob on it. And inside it's just white. But it's a really nice size. You can fit a pocket, like a pocket size dory or the mini dory into it. It's really great for keeping your stickers or pens, those sort of things. It can even be like a makeup case or something like that if you don't fancy using it as a for your planning. Yeah, it's really pretty. So you can see the pattern. Really lovely. Okay, next we're going to open the main kit. We've got lots and lots of goodies in this one. This pen, oh my goodness, is beautiful. So Christine has brought out her own Cocoa Daisy pens, and they all have a little daisy on the top of them, which is just oh so cute. I don't know if you can see, but if we're focusing on it, let me see if I can get it to focus on it. There we go. So it's got a daisy on the very top. And this one is, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. It's got beautiful cherry blossoms around the barrel of the pen, and right in the center, it's got like little gems little crystally sparklies. And this one's got your gold hardware on it. And I do believe it's a gel. We will test it out. Oh, sorry. Okay, so, and on the little clip bit, it does also have Cocoa Daisy written on it. But that's just really lovely, really pretty addition. Matches the pouch beautifully. Okay, then we have some cherry blossom washi. Let's open it up and have a look at it. This is really pretty. It's got really nice soft blues and different pinks, light pinks and darker pinks. It's really, really pretty. So it's really nice. It goes through a variety of shades. Because sometimes on a page you might want, you know, to keep it lighter, airy. And other times you want it to be a little bit more vibrant, so it's great that when washi kind of moves from lighter to darker. I like that a lot. Oh, how cute. And then we get a little charm. This one looks like it's made out of acrylic or something like that. It's a little gold lobster clasp. I don't know if you can. And it's really, it's got like greens and blues. It's a little tiny like crane. It's very, very pretty. It's different. I've never seen anything quite like it. So it's got really some really pretty, it's got a bit of yellow in there too. Then we get a little set of sticky notes. This one has to do with check boxes and the pretty cherry blossoms down the side. So you get a really nice little amount of those. It's really pretty. So you get a nice little stack of them. Okay, let's come back to that in a minute. Okay, what's this? I'm not quite sure what this is. Ooh, what is this? Okay, so it says here is a washi card to wrap small amounts of washi for on-the-go planning. Notice there is a hole to attach fun embellishments like a tassel we have provided. So they've just put it on. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's a really pretty tassel. Ooh. Let's have a look, see. Okay. Put on this little. Let's get that on properly. There we go. Oh, it is cute, isn't it? So what you can do is you get your washi. And so when you're on the go, you can have some washi with you. So lots of people like myself usually make washi cards from either a journal card or some of the papers or something like that, or a tag. Sometimes tags are included, and you can usually laminate it because it just makes it easier for the washi to go on and come off it as well, and it makes it last a little bit longer when it's laminated. But this is great. This is a proper washi card, which I don't actually own one, so now I do. So that's brilliant. I love these little extras that Cocoa Daisy provides. They've started to provide some really lovely little additional things like the acrylic stamp block. They recently had like a board that you put between the pages of your dory so you can write on it, a nice flat surface. I think it's called a pen board. yeah, so that's what it looks like with the washi on it, and obviously there's room there to have 3 or 4 different washi tapes with you on the go. And this beautiful tassel is also included this month. It's really vibrant, almost like a peacock blue. I don't know if the camera is picking up on how bright it is. Yeah, it's very almost iridescent. It's very pretty. And there we go. Yay, and that's the board. So it's got like a little pattern on it, which is great. So it helps you to line up your washi so it's nice and straight. And it has Cocoa Daisy written on the bottom of it. I don't know if you can see Cocoa Daisy written on there. So yeah, that's a really lovely additional item. I didn't know we were getting that, so yay. I like surprises. I've been trying not to really look too closely at what we get because I really do enjoy getting a few surprises. So I had no idea we were getting that. So woohoo! Okay, so what else have we got? Let's have a look at the, let's move these out of the way for a second and have a look at the die cuts. So they usually do show you on the back now, which is great. So they've got some like really cute little labels and the normal tabs and some flowers. Let's open them up and have a closer look. Oops, I'll just rip that down. Okay, oh, there's lots and lots. Okay, and the backing card is oh so pretty as well. So lots of people use that. It's like you could laminate that and use that as a washi card if you didn't have the acrylic one. Okay, so we get some really pretty tabs. Lots of pinks and greens and blues and different shades. That one's really lovely. It has a real cascade of different colours. I dare say there are lots of the colours that are in the kit. It's really pretty. And then we have little tiny teacups and flowers and clouds or like wind. And I collect teapots, so I love that there's teapots and teacups. And these little labels, I don't know what they're very pretty, very ornate. And some cherry blossom branch. And we have some cranes, a few different coloured cranes, pinks and yellows, blues and greens. Some more of these really pretty little labels and some clouds. They're really, I love these clouds, they're really like swirly, really pretty. Some little labels and then some really pretty flowers, cherry blossoms and little labels. So a really nice selection of die cuts. Okay, so just move that across a little bit. Go to the next thing. Okay, so one thing that also Christine mentioned was that she was going to start including some refills for the pens. Because I know for one that each month I usually use the pen that comes with the kit. If it comes with a pen, it usually does. And usually by close to the end of the month, it's starting to run out. So it's really lovely that she has she's actually included 2 refills, which is just lovely, very generous. So no fear of running out of ink of your favourite pen. We now have refills to go with it, which is brilliant. Okay, so in this little one, we have the papers, stickers, and the notepad. Okay, and a clip. And a tag too by the looks. So we get this gorgeous crane paper clip. It's sort of like on a bobby pin, hairpin. Which are great because these don't bulk up your planner too much and they stick out right at the top, which is just lovely. So you just slide it onto a page, just like a paper clip, I suppose. That looks lovely, really pretty. So pretty. Okay, and this is the notepad for this month. Things to say yes to. It's just really lovely, and it's got a really beautiful picture of cherry blossoms and a crane, and again you get a really nice amount. I have never yet finished one of these, so very lots to keep you going throughout the month. Plenty of pages. Okay, and a really pretty tag. So pretty. And we have stickers. Oh wow, look at that. That is just beautiful. Okay, so these have got your tabs, some little header sort of ones, little tags, arrows, hole reinforcers, and some arrows and tags and things like that. Really pretty. Now these are the stickers that go onto your tags. So these fit perfectly in these little spots here. So really nice assortment, plus a couple of blank ones so you can write your own. And then we have our numbers and days of the week for your calendar and your planning pages, so you can choose how to use those. It also has some great little weekend banners, arrows, dots, and bits and bobs. And then we'll have a look at our papers. Are so pretty. So we have this beautiful one. It's got really pretty paper with some cranes in the back. And then we have this one, which is almost like clouds or something like that, I suppose. Just a pretty pattern. It's kind of like a pinky coral colour. The other side of that one is this yellow, sort of like overlapping circles within circles within circles. That's really nice. Then we have that similar pattern that was on the pencil case. Bands. I'm not sure which is I'm not sure. Sort of facing both directions, so could go either way. Then we have beautiful cherry blossoms and greeny blue background. And then on the back of that one, on this one, that's right. And we have that one on the other side. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 papers. They're lovely. Okay. And then lastly, on the plan pack. So these are the A5 pages. I have had them punched for a 6-ring binder, which really isn't me. It's funny, I really enjoy working out of a happy planner. I think because you can fold it back on itself. Like if you're working on it with a happy planner, the rings, you can kind of fold it around like that. Where with rings, you have to keep it open. And I find the rings get in my way, especially if you're wanting to work on this side, being right-handed, your hand hits the rings. And it's just, I've just found it, I've really struggled last month. So this will be my last month with them. I do love the A5 size. And I found that I really also do enjoy the daily to-dos. I found it very hard finding a way to use these pages, and I have now found that I really enjoy using them for work. Like at work, I usually just use a notepad, and I just thought, how silly. I'm making lists every day. I make emails, I make calls. There's things I have to do every day. I have to schedule things in. I take notes when I'm in meetings and things like that. And this is just really, really perfect for that sort of a thing. So I found this month with the February kit that I've been using my daily pages and been really loving it. They're perfect. So I will actually miss that, but what I'm thinking of doing is with the free planner printables is doing something similar to that, is using their A5 free planner printables as my daily to-dos and setting it up probably very similar to this until I go back to the A5 again, which I probably will do at some point, but next month I will be having, in May, I will be having the mini dory. Yeah, so let's have a quick look at these. So the first page is really lovely. So it says, the blue sky is calling to me, asking me to join the clouds, rising above the earth. I will soar to new heights and find freedom in the world, or in the wind, freedom in the wind. It's really pretty. And on the other side you have your month at a glance. Then we have our week at a glance. There'll be one for every week in the month. So there's 5 of them. All the pretty colours. And I make a fold and a final crease before the perfect crane is born. It's lovely. And then we have our week on 2 pages. First I'll just show you what's on the back page. So to everything there is a season, and then we have the 2, so Monday through Wednesday on this page, and Thursday, Saturday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. That right through to here, and then you have your month on 2 pages, which I really enjoy using these. They're really pretty. And you have your year at a glance, and then you have your day. Oh, look how they've done it with tea with cups. That's lovely. And then you have your daily to-dos. I kind of wish you could get these separate, just as a standalone item, because I think, yeah, I think, or even as another dory, that would also be a really cool idea, to be able to either get them as pages or as a standalone booklet in the same size dory as that, if you work in a dory, in the same size dory. I think it would be a really lovely addition, I think. I'm sure I'm not alone. Okay, so that is the planner kit. Just put all those things aside for a minute. Don't forget the teacup. So just move that bag. Next, actually, well, let's look at the dashboards, which I use the dashboards to go between each of the weeks. And it comes, the dashboard kit comes in both A5 and personal size, which is great. So I use the A5s as sort of weekly dividers in my planner. And then you can use these as bookmarks, you can cut them up, you can, or if you have a personal size planner, you'd use them in your personal size planner. So I'll pop these ones aside because they're exact same as these, just in a smaller size. So here's the first one. And they're just blank on the back. That's one's really pretty. Yeah, that's true sometimes. Blink and you can miss the weekend. It goes so quick sometimes. Okay, here we go. This is pretty. It's got that kind of star design in the background. It's very faint, if you can see it, like that. That's a great one. Be your best self. Like that one a lot. And this one. And the dashboards. And did there used to be one with the month on it? I thought there used to be one with the month written on it. Maybe not. I think they used to. I think one of them used to have the month written on it, but maybe not all the time. Okay. Next, we're going to have a look at the planner add-on kit. Let's see what we've got. Okay, get a little clip. Very pretty. It's got little flowers on it. Just click it on. Look. So pretty. Look. Really, really light lemon yellow and pink and orange. So pretty. So pretty. There we go. It's really pretty. So nice. Okay, so that's a little paper clip. And then we get kind of like a wavy washi. It's a bit thinner. I think this is like 7 or 8, maybe. What's this one? I don't know, it's sort of your difference in width. I'm not sure. So if you squeeze washi it just a little bit, it helps you unwrap it, because you can get underneath the wrapping to pull it off. I saw someone else, I can't remember who it was, but someone gave that little tidbit of advice, which is very helpful. So whoever that was, thank you. I'm so sorry, I can't remember. And yeah, so this is like a nice wavy design. A bit like the yellow paper with the circles on the circles. Okay, so yeah, so they're the two pretty washies. Really nice. Really nice. Oops. Just trying to get the focus a bit better. There we go. Yeah, really nice. Okay. And they go so pretty together. Very similar blue. Okay. And we have some die cuts. Oh, here we go. I like how they're showing you a picture of each one. What's on it? I won't take these ones out. You can see everything that's there. Okay, we have. Okay, and then here we usually have cards. Ooh, look what I just found. Coffee stickers. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I like these. I want 2 sheets of these. Oh, so cute. Look. Looky, looky. So nice. So nice. Okay, let's focus in the camera. Teapots and teacups and paper aeroplanes and fans and clouds and cranes and everything. That's so cute. And that paper. Oh, backing card. So pretty. Okay, so we have just pop them back in. Put them back in. So cute. I like those. I want another one. Okay. And okay, we get some cards. Get this one. We get this one. We get this one. And then we get some, we get a large one. And then we get some stickers. Little pretty decoration ones. Alpha and days of the week. I really like that font, the days of the week font. Oh my goodness, that's really cute. I wonder who wrote that. Is that a font or someone's handwriting? I don't know, but it is super cute. I'll have to see if I can copy that. That's really cute, I like that a lot. And lastly, we have our checklists, icons, and some words, little sentiments and such. Okay, so that one there, that was the planner add-on. That's a really lovely one. Got lots of goodies. I love those puffy stickers and the clip and the die cuts and everything. So lots and lots of goodies. Now, so let me just bring down and show you everything that we got in this lot. Washies, so much pretty. And we have our dash cards. Things. Notepad. Get some things up here we need to do. And stickers. And tags. Stickers. More stickers. Papers. Papers up there. And there's just so much good stuff. So they're all bits and bobs from April's Cherish Blossoms kits. So that's the planner kit, the add-on kit, and the dashboards. Comes with a gorgeous pouch. Some really pretty little accessories and clips. Yeah, I'm so happy. It's all so beautiful. Okay, so I'm now going to go on to the classifieds kit. So if that's something that you don't want to see, please stop the video now. Otherwise, let's just quickly move this back out of here, out of the way a little bit. Make some room. And we will, oops, what's in, oops, okay, those are there too. Okay, so the last thing we have to open is, oops, okay, don't touch, So I just got some plastic on the floor and my pup is looking at it. Okay, so this is the classified kit. Let's see what's inside. Here we go. I've got no idea. Ooh, oh wow. Some more clips of sorts I can see. Okay. The bag is empty. Let's see what we've got. We've got another beautiful paper clip. Oh, I can see signing. Okay, so this one is kind of that plasticky, sort of rubbery stuff. Like this, so we can have a look. So that's what it looks like. It's really pretty blues. There we go. So it sits really nicely up on top of a page. You get the little crane paper clip. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. This is stunning. Oh my lord. It's got cherry blossoms and I don't want to open it. This is too pretty. And it's got like little butterflies. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. Wow, I was not expecting this. This is truly beautiful. Wow. So that's a cuckoo daisy washi, like the other two. But that is just stunning. Oh, look at that little bird. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, I'm not going to open that one quite yet. I know I will because I want to use it, but I can't bring myself to open it quite yet. So we'll come back to that one maybe at the end. Okay. We have a Simon card. And he's making lots and lots of paper cranes. So cute. And we have, oh, so pretty. Oh wow. So these definitely match in with the rest of the kit. They're exactly the same as the die cuts. Wow, it's taken out of plastic so I can have it. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Pretty. Wow, they're lovely. So we get some more lovely clips. And then we get some more stickers, yay. I love my stickers. So some paper cranes. And some more words and arrows and bits and bobs. And we get some lovely specialty papers. Oh wow, we get 3. So we get this. I haven't got anything that's white. Let's grab one of those. So we get some acetate. Oh wow, look at that. So we get some pretty acetate, cherry blossoms and the cranes hanging. That is really pretty. Okay, and then we get a foiled, it's not really, it's not really vellum, I don't think. It's very thick vellum if it is. I'm not quite sure if this, oh, maybe this class is vellum. It's just it's very thick. So these are 2 vellums, I take it. This one has got like a fan, I suppose, a bit like a fan. It's very beautiful. Shiny. And this one is gorgeous too. All the different designs with a bit of foiling there as well. So it's like it's translucent. I think it is vellum. It just feels a little bit different to me. It seems thicker, but really, really beautiful. So we get some specialty papers as well. And there we have it. That is the planner classified kit. So we've got some lovely papers, some stickers, some clips, Simon card, and a lovely another crane clip. So there you go. There are all the beautiful bits in the planner classified kit. Okay. Classified. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And often there are bits and pieces left in the shop, so it's always worthwhile going and having a little look, seeing if there's anything there that you like or would like to try. There's so many options, so many different formats for planning, so you can really swap around and change and find what's perfect for you. I'm still looking. I don't know. I think I get bored with one thing and like to move on to something else. But yeah, but there's just so much pretty. It's really lovely. So April, thanks for watching. Bye.